Hey guys, so today what I wanted to do was organize my kitchen. At this point I already filmed that, but I didn't really film a really good intro, so I kind of just wanted to like help myself out because it got really weird and dark and I don't know if I can use any of that. Welcome to my channel and hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, please subscribe. Why don't people do videos like that? Tell me, have you ever seen a video like that? Don't ask why I'm in the dark right now. It's not gonna be the whole video. I'm just trying something. And all these flyaways. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna ignore the wispies now that we discussed that. So basically my idea is I want to take everything out and I want to put it on my table and then I want to like organize it how I kind of want to organize it near each other. I'm kind of thinking of doing it by shelf, and I'm thinking if I can keep like items together. I worked at Sobeys for like a couple of years, so like I kind of know how they put things together in a grocery store, and I kind of want to give the grocery store likeness vibe in there. I mean, it kind of already is because me and Gabe worked in Sobeys, so it's kind of there, but I'm not happy with it. Like I feel like not everything has its place, and I don't know if everything will have its place, but we're gonna try. I guess we'll give you the grand tour. It's not always gonna be dark. I really like this. That's the main light. It's just not the same. It's not bad. It's not bad. You can definitely see there is a theme. Everything is baking. Yay. Okay. And then this one, yeah, I mean like we got our noodles, we got our stovetop, we got some broth thrown in. That's all in the same aisle. Quinoa, nice. Random fruit cup, you know, baby food. We got some Ritz, we got some Mr. Noodles. I want to fix this. I want to label stuff. You know, I bought a label maker. I bought batteries for the label maker. I want to use the label maker. You know, that is the first one. And then we got a bunch of crap. We got all our canned stuff. Generally in this vicinity. We got some oatmeal, we got some random snack thingies I bought, we got some more snack thingies, we got some peanut butter, we got some coconut butter, we got more random crap. That's basically what we're working with. When I said it wasn't a good look, I wasn't kidding. We're gonna get right into removing everything. I just want to put it on my table for now. Get it started. We may have a problem. Oh. Only do this with like adult supervision, preferably not yourself. Also, I have no idea what this is. If it's illegal, I'm not leaving it in the video, but I think it might be catnip. I hope it's catnip. Oh, why does it look alive? Ew, I don't like it. Oh, is it bones? I don't know. This is not as fun as I thought it was gonna be. Now if I can de-traumatize myself for a second. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. See you in a minute. Bye. I don't know if this is the best place. The best place for me is right where you see me. Anyway. I know what that is. You're welcome.
Shit, hard.
That was kind of like a workout in and of itself. Yo, girl's not going to the gym anymore. Really fueled me wanting to do this is because I have a lot of like intolerances and like allergies, and it's kind of hard to like find things that I can eat quickly and stuff. So I'd like to have like a section of stuff that like I can eat and like I could grab and go and it can be easy for me. But I might have more ideas than what we have room for. Got all kinds of stuff in there. Look at all that food. We ain't starving here. We ain't no starving Marvins. We're gonna get into it. Oh, this is so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. I think the baking there can all be on one shelf. We could do a sauce and broth shelf. Then we can have like the nudes, the noodles, the Mr. Nudes, Mr.'s Nudes. We bought these and we've never used any of these. I haven't been here that long, but we still. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, something else I want to go over is like expired food. This expired in April and March. That's nice. What I was kind of thinking I wanted to do is I want to use the label maker to like write, hey, this expires in this month, November, and just do it for like the close ones, of course, and like the stuff that I might not get to. I think that would be a good idea, because I know like at the pharmacy at work, I mean, drugs are different than food, but it's all the same. We have like little stickers that say like February, and then we have to like check there to see if there's any like expired Februaries. That's just what I'm thinking. I might do that, and then it like stands out more. And if you think that's stupid, I think it's fun. Maybe even a breakfast shelf. I only have 5 shelves here, Kristin. I need to figure it out. Breakfast baby, maybe. I think I should start with the biggest thing, which is like all these cans. I want to see if I can maybe stack them on top of each other. I almost forgot. Put the soup up at the top because we know you're gonna grab it for no matter what. That looks good. I think. You guys didn't see it. Good. Oh, you have to like so many different kinds of vegetables. It's ridiculous. Okay, what I'm thinking. Do. Okay. So what I'm thinking is I'll do this. I'll do this. This, and then I'll do that. You don't see it. It's good. I'm thinking I'll do 2 stacks. I have peas on the bottom, wax beans on the top. So we're gonna keep those in a row together. Oh, it's a good thing that I actually did not move it because the peas would not have fit. Anyway, so put those one in front of the other. That way, we'll put the mixed vegetables and the cream corn on the bottom, mixed vegetables on top, so that when we look at it, we can see all 4, and then the same one of it is behind. You might have to flip once, like you take one of them, or like once it starts getting down, you might have to change it up. How we're going to do it. Not too bad. That's really great. I like that. I don't eat fish. I'm not like a vegan or a vegetarian or anything, but I just don't eat fish. What we might also do, put the nudes up there, so you know we're going to go get the nudes. Everyone goes after the nudes. So, put the nudes out of reach, and people will go after the nudes. So I have like 1 Mr. Noodles too much, so I might have a Mr. Noodles later out of spite for it not fitting. But so far, So good. So for the hamburger helper, we have quite a bit of that. Maybe I will take the salmon out and put the broth where the salmon is. We're getting low on plum sauce. Gig likes to keep like a stock of this stuff. The VH plum sauce, sponsored. I personally like the cherry stuff that they discontinued and they don't sell anymore. It used to bring me life. I used to like eat it on everything. It's kind of weird that we're both obsessed over a kind of sauce that these people make. And like the table's looking clearer already. You guys probably can't tell because it's like not cut to where you see. But like this part looks empty. That part is looking good. I'm gonna show you what we got down so far. So we got stovetop, we got hamburger helper, we got the nudes up top. Got some cans, sidekicks, stuff. And then we got this big empty space, room for more plum sauce. Da, 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 da. That's what I mean, like, look, there's like hardly anything now. What I could do is put my oatmeal with the cooking stuff instead of with the snack stuff. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat these because I ate this one and I felt really sick after. So I don't know if it's the hemp that's in it, because like coconut I'm fine with. I think I'm safe with buckwheat. Chia hasn't bothered me before, so it's like I think it's hemp, and that one has hemp, and this one also has hemp, but the pumpkin like cinnamon one that's like my favorite that I don't have right now because I obviously ate it all and I need to buy more. That one does not have hemp and I'm totally fine with it. So if you guys like oatmeal and like healthiness, it's gluten-free, may contain milk, tree nuts, peanuts, or soy, which I all can't have, so hopefully you don't have any in it. But they just do that to save their butts, and my brother was like anaphylactic to peanuts. They just do that to save their butts in case anything happens. Everything is expiring in February. Alright, so that one's done, I think. It's not as visually pleasing as the other one, but I think it does its purpose, so it's good enough for me. Put the baby stuff in first, because the other stuff don't fit all around the baby stuff. So we got all of the, oh, I forgot to mention, Gabe has a daughter that visits sometimes, which is why we have all the baby food. I want to take the air out, but then I'm like, is that going to cause an allergic reaction? I don't know. I don't want to find out. I'm going to put a lot of my gluten-friendly kind of stuff. I got like these vanilla sandwich. I personally don't really like them, but I feel like if I was like, I want a cookie, and this was around, I found they're like really flaky. You can bite into them and they just like fall apart. So if you like disintegrating cookies, they're free from nuts, soy, peanuts, and dairy. You're welcome. And I found these at Marshall's. They're okay. They're like strawberry quinoa bar junior. They're for kids. They're just like little tiny ass bars. Then like literally, like, look at this. It's the size of 2 fingers. You can hide it. It's like smaller than a Halloween Kit Kat bar. That's the best way to describe it. I want to put like snacks where you can find them, but I don't have to look too hard. November 12th. Holy fuck, I have to make pancakes for 3 days straight. Got these smoothie bowls I found at Marshall's. They had like a bunch of stuff on sale and I just decided to buy everything that I could technically have. These are still good till June, so I have to worry about them. Right here. I don't know if they deserve their own like whole area. Look at the apps. applesauce right next to the baby food. So these are chickpea snacks. Gluten-free. Sesame and honey. I'm allergic to sesame, but I thought I would try them out just to see like how much it really bugs me. I don't suggest that. I'm not a doctor. Yeah, and these ones are just coconut clusters. They expired this month. I'm really gonna have to start snacking and doing like mangoes because Alexa Sunshine 83 was talking about how she likes to munch on dried mangoes, and I'm like, I'll try anything at this point. Oh, so peanuts. I feel like putting the peanut butter down here. Maybe he'll actually put it away if I put it down. We're gonna try it. My mom bought me this like pumpkin seed butter and I've never eaten it yet. And I don't know if I want to. This new diet thing just scares me. I feel like the last part just does not look as cute as the first part. Alright, I think we're done. After a long, however long, this is it, boys. This is the big reveal. We gotta do it fast. My camera's just like, oh crap, you're dying. You're dying, abort mission, you're dying. Camera. Whoa, that was scary. I thought I lost you. We got the baking. I mean, this is still baking. I thought it was convenient because we eat a lot of oatmeal, so like I feel like this is something we have to go to, so like let's put it up top. Then that's baking stuff. We don't use it very often. We got some snacky snacks, some breakfasty stuff. We got the baby food, applesauce, some cookie things, bars, spreads. I mean, spreads are up there too, so. I realized I did not put the honey away, but you'll have to see it without the honey. And then we have this guy again, like you've seen before. I'm kind of meaning to do it since we got here because Gabe kind of put away everything. I wasn't sure how I liked it. Oh, hello. It was kind of spontaneous. I kind of just thought about it today and I was like, that would be fun. Thank you guys for 50 followers. It's been a long time since I've said that. So thank you for anyone who's been sticking around since my old channel got hacked, but welcome. I think I'm gonna stop fighting for the other one and just continue forth on this channel. A new me, a new person. This is something I wouldn't have posted on my other channels, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Bye!